Hello everyone. So today let's explore some basic compositions that can elevate your still life drawings. Basic compositions in still life. The first drawing here, you can see all the three objects are placed together. So there is lack of movement and this is called static or no flow composition. A static or no flow composition results in uninteresting and flat artwork. Whereas on the other side, there is an interesting eye movement. You can see my eyes move from one object to another and returning back to the primary object, creating a triangular eye flow. Third, too centered and boring. A centered and boring composition refers to an arrangement where the main objects or the focal point is placed directly in the center of the canvas, resulting in lack of visual interest and excitement. Whereas off-centered creates an eye flow and is well balanced between the negative space and the positive space. In art, tangents refer to the visual issues that occur when two objects appear to touch each other. Here you can see the circle and the triangle are just touching the rectangle. This creates an unintended visual connection or confusion. Overlapping creates space. Overlapping objects are always interesting to look at. When an object is placed right in the corner of your drawing sheet or canvas, it creates no interest, as if the composition ends right here. But on the other side, you can see the circle is cropped around the corner of the surface. And if you notice, it is not cropped right from the center. Rather, it is off center, which creates a beautiful continuation in the painting.